beautiful people, welcome back to another vlog. So it is Thanksgiving weekend and I am at my parents' house for the weekend as usual, if you guys have been around here for a while. But yeah, I thought I'd just take you guys around on a few days in my life.
Glass half full or half empty. On my side, want you and me. Could never be the one to leave. You initiated what we got. Put up to your spot. Even if my engine shut, I'll get it.
Today is Saturday. It's my family's Thanksgiving, but yesterday we drove up and took a little bit of a scenic route, and the colors were so beautiful. Probably the prettiest I have seen in so long, like absolutely crazy. But like I said, today is my family's Thanksgiving, so it's just a small, chill evening, afternoon dinner.
On the way back, we could grab gelato. On the ride home, I'll avoid the potholes. Raise it, boys gotta dance in the puddle. I like you, what I might do, yeah. Wanna make call you mine, in the now, cause we can't rewind. Wanna be with you all the time. You never gonna leave my mind, yeah. Even if my camera breaks, I picture me with you. Even when I'm at your place, I feel at home with you. Even if my camera breaks, I picture me with you. Even when I'm at your place, I feel at home with you.
Happy Tuesday, you guys. I just got back from getting my nails done. I always get my nails done at home because they just do such a good job and they are such a reasonable price. But Mom and I are headed to an apple orchard today, our yearly tradition, and then also probably going to head to Yorkdale, do a little bit of shopping, maybe look at some furniture because I still am lacking furniture. So that is kind of the plan for today. Sunday was with Alan's family, and then yesterday, Monday, was just like a nice chill day, so I didn't vlog at all, but lots going on today, so I figured I would bring you guys with. I also might bring some books home because if I get furniture, I can reorganize them into there, and also I just need to take them from my childhood bedroom and take them home, so. We have secured our 10 pounds of apples. Mom, hold it up. All sorts of different kinds. We got like Red Delicious, Golden Delicious, Macintosh.
We got Mutsu.
Mutsu.
I think Mutsu and Empire. And
There
Golden Delicious.
There we go. One's for cooking, one's for eating, one's all the above. Alright you guys, it is the next day. So after the apple orchard yesterday, Mom and I went shopping for a little bit. I might have finally picked out a couch. But I'm currently on my way to go meet up on campus with Alan. We're gonna study for a bit. I'm also gonna head to class with him because I am on reading week. We are in a full U of T sweatsuit mode, but because we are also headed to the gym after, so I just have on a workout set underneath so I don't have to bring a whole bunch of stuff. So that is the vibe for today and this afternoon. Good morning, you guys. I've had a bit of a slower morning to myself, but I'm heading out currently to go work at a coffee shop with Yaz. We're probably gonna grab coffee, grab lunch, and just work out of the house this afternoon just to get a little bit of a change of scenery. Because it's reading week, I do still have work to do, but like nothing major. So a coffee shop is definitely the vibe, but it's a little gloomy and rainy outside. Don't ask me why I have sunnies on my head even though it's raining. They just pull together the outfit. But we are headed out to go work.
If all days, brown eyes, roots in my apartment, and we grew, passed by, plans were always falling. I know you need out sometimes.
Okay, we ended up going to one hotel because we were going to try and go to Ace, but it was super busy. But now there's no Wi-Fi here. So we got coffee, we're gonna have lunch and have like a little work day, but probably end up coffee shop hopping and going somewhere else to work and get Wi-Fi. Oh, I almost just completely spilt my entire soup, but we didn't. We are good, we spilt none.
Always falling. I know you need out sometimes. Head on the glass by traffic lights. Thoughts never felt so blind, so we take off in amazing dive. Driving circles, growing sick of the weather. Heather gray, you fell asleep in my sweatshirt. I'll leave the world and make a new one together. Let's tell my mom that I'll be back in November.
Hello, hi. It is currently 7 p.m. I am dressed like a little boy, but it has been a super hectic day, so I did not vlog at all because tomorrow is the first Health Cafe in-person event, so I have been like prepping and getting ready all day. Let me show you a little bit of the behind the scenes from the event and what's going on here. So we have all of the gift bags for the attendees in here. Basically, they get a little Health Cafe tote bag, and then they get some athletic greens as well as awake water. And then the first 20 attendees actually get another special gift, and it's a 5-minute journal. They are all buried inside the bags because I did them all up this afternoon. So there's that. My lovely plastic cups because Village Juicery sent over some health shots as well as some juices for post-workout fuel at the event tomorrow. They sent over the chaga apple cider as well as the ginger fireball for some post-workout drinks, and then like I said, some recovery shots. We have the immunity ones as well as the recovery shots for post-workout for the attendees. So I have kind of just been like running all around doing last minute errands and prepping for the event tomorrow morning. But I do want to take you guys on a little bit more behind the scenes and take you on the event tomorrow. So I'm really excited, but I thought I'd just do like a brief little update because I obviously didn't vlog today. So that was what was going on, but I will see you guys tomorrow morning for the event. I am so super stoked. I'm leading a HIIT workout class. We have Yaz and Ariste on panelists. I'm so excited, but I just can't wait. And I can't wait to bring you guys with me tomorrow for the event as well. But I'm gonna call it a night. See you in the morning. Good morning, it's Saturday. It is event day. The guys just got here to help me fill up their car with all the stuff that we need to drive over to the studio that we're using. I'm so excited. I'm literally, what? I'm teaching a workout class. We're holding a seminar. We have the first in-person event. I'm so excited. Let's go. We are mostly set up. Water bottles. We got our little after workout station and some Syrse Dawn going.
Always bird skies, ride with clouds we're lost in. We drew this life back when we were falling. I know you need out sometimes, head on the glass by traffic lights. Thoughts never felt so blind, so we take off in amazing light, driving circles.
Just like in-person events, and this is so nice. I am a psychology PhD student right now at UT. My last year, going through some existential days of like what's going on.
Social media culture has definitely gotten better about how to treat your mental health and how to be more aware of things, which is great.
Finance, but I was also in the middle of the pandemic, so I was working from home primarily, which kind of meant that I was stuck in the same space all day. Like it becomes your office, and it's your home, it's your workout studio. I don't know. I feel like workout sets and hoodies. I just love sweater weather. Like give me a big chunky knit sweater. That's such a basic quality, but like that's definitely everything. So like I said, I wanted to talk a little bit about seasonal depression.
I'm excited to get out of bed. And then one thing I want to do this week is get a little bit of if you do or whatever. I feel like it's going to be really helpful to be supposed to wake up. It's sort of right now with when you want to wake up. So then let's try those if it works for you anyway, because I feel like I like that.
I agree. Seeing those everywhere, I agree. That's really great. Like you said, in like the morning, it's not like the morning. For myself, I wake up at 6:30.
Glass by traffic lights. Thoughts never felt so blind, so we take off in amazing light, driving circles, growing sick of the weather. Heather gray, fell asleep in my sweatshirt. I leave the world and make a new one together. I tell my mom that I'll be back in November. It's all for the better.
Oh yeah, I want this one.
That was, yeah, that was better.
Which one did you
That was good.
It wasn't you guys did the record. Alright, don't have this better.
Yeah, I like those ones better, but I never had those.
You have to sip it. I'm not gonna buy it. How did you do that? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Good now.
So then we are all done, heading out, wrapped up. It went really well. Very happy with how everything turned out. It seemed like everyone enjoyed it, so can't wait to do more of these in the future though. All right, you guys, I just got back from hosting the first Health Cafe event. I think it went really well. Everybody seemed to really enjoy it, and I can't wait to do more of those in the future. But I'm gonna end off this little week in my life here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and hopefully I will see you guys all in the next one. I love you guys so much. Bye.